So, what is a sleep study? Well, it's also called a polysomnogram and it helps doctors diagnose sleep problems. It's an overnight test that records biological signals while a person sleeps, and it's also used in a research setting as it's a gold standard tool to measure sleep. What happens during a sleep study is that consumables are used to attach sensors to the body. These items include items to clean the skin, electrode gel to attach to the skin, and tape to keep things attached. Measurements are made on the head to calculate where the electrodes should be placed. A specific measuring system called the 10-20 system is used. 6 electrodes are placed on the scalp, 3 on the left and 3 on the right hand side. They measure brainwave activity. The measurements are made using a tape measure and then a pencil that can easily be rubbed off. The area is cleaned where the electrodes will be attached. First, it's cleaned with alcohol, and then a mild abrasive paste is used. Small metal electrodes are positioned on the head. Paste is used to increase the conductivity, and gauze is placed on top to keep it in place. These electrodes measure brainwave activity. Sticky dot electrodes are also attached. They're attached next to each eye, one on the left and one on the right. These electrodes measure eye movements. Electrodes are also attached under the chin. These electrodes measure chin muscle activity. Together, the head electrodes are used to determine sleep stage. There's the EEG signals, there's the eye signals, the EOG, and the EMG signals. A saturation probe is attached to the finger using a finger wrap, and this is to measure blood oxygen levels throughout the night. Sensors are placed under the nose and above the mouth. These sensors are hooked over the ears to keep them in place throughout the night. This sensor that you see here, together with nasal prongs, are used to measure airflow. Special bands are placed around the chest and the tummy. These bands monitor breathing effort, and together with the respiratory airflow sensors, are used to score respiratory events. A position sensor is attached to the chest, together with a video camera which is mounted in the room. These are used to determine what body posture the person is sleeping in. In addition, there is a decibel meter which measures sound, and while not shown in this video, leg muscle activity is also measured. So the sensors are connected by wires to an amplifier, and then the signals are recorded and monitored on a computer overnight. The setup takes approximately 45 minutes. The person is tucked into bed and ready for sleep. The lights are turned off and the signals are recorded overnight. The person can sleep as usual and in any posture that they like. In the morning, the person is woken and the electrodes are removed so that they can go home.